I'm fucking deep in Tennessee with my brothers from the 3. We quick to click and break the peace. No respect for what they.
So what's up? It's Alan Everson again, and welcome to another video. So today we're gonna talk about the summary of chapter 4, network access. So what we have here is different sentences that mainly composed of the important details that we have tackled in chapter 4. So first we have the TCP or IP network access layer is the equivalent of OSI data link layer or layer 2 and the physical layer, the layer 1. So the next one is the OSI physical layer provides the means to transport the bits that make up a data link layer frame across the network media. So third one is the physical layer standards address the three functional areas, which is the physical components, the frame encoding technique, and the signaling method. So that's it. And the fourth sentence here we have using the proper media is an important part of network communications. So without the proper physical connection, either wired or wireless, communication between any two devices will not occur. So next, wired communication consists of copper media and fiber cable. So as we all know, we have very common media, which is the copper media that is widely used nowadays, and also there is also the fiber cable, which is the faster one than the copper media because it uses the ray of lights to transport network, so it is better than the copper media. We have also the wireless media, which is also a network media. It is it is a wireless communication. You don't have to use wire like that of copper media and fiber cable. So next one is there are three main types of copper media used in networking: the unshielded twisted pair, or the UTP, and the shielded twisted pair, the STP, and the coaxial cable. So the unshielded twisted pair is also the most common, and as I have heard from our instructor, it is a cheaper than the shielded twisted pair, but the shielded twisted pair can last longer than the unshielded twisted pair. And the coaxial cable is the like that of the one that we are using in our television in antennas. So the UTP cabling is the most common copper network media. So optical fiber cable has become very popular interconnecting infrastructure network devices. It permits the transmission of data over longer distances and at higher bandwidths or data rates than any other network media. So it says that the optical fiber became popular because of its speed when it comes to transporting or being the media of the network. Wireless media carry electromagnetic signals that represent the binary digits of data communication using radio or microwave frequency. So As for the wired media, like of the copper cable, it uses electron uh, electric pulse, and then for fiber cable we have the light pulse, and then when it comes to wireless media, it only uses electromagnetic signals in the microwave frequencies to transport data across different types of um, servers. So the data link layer is responsible for the exchange of frames between nodes over a physical network media. It allows the upper layers to access the media and controls how data is placed and received on the media. So among the different implementations of data link layer protocols, there are different methods of controlling access to the media. These media access control techniques define if and how the nodes share the media. The actual media access control method uses depends on the topology and media sharing. The LAN or the local area network and WAN or the wide area network topologies can be physical or logical. So the WANs are commonly interconnected using the point-to-point hub and spoke or mesh physical topology. So the WAN or the wide area network is as itself, it is called wide area network. It covers a huge number of networks, and compared to LAN, which is a local area network, it is way bigger than that. In shared media LANs, end devices can be interconnected using the star, bus, ring, or extended star hybrid physical topologies. All data link layer protocols encapsulated the layer 3 PDU within the data field of the frame. However, the structure of the frame and the fields contained in the header and trailer vary according to the protocol. So all in all, for this chapter, we have learned about the different media of the network, which is the copper, which is the wired media and wireless media, where the wired media contains the copper and the fiber, and the wireless media is mainly of, for example, is the Wi-Fi. So this chapter also introduced the wide area network and the local area network, which is a kind of topology that we are using in the network. So that's all for today's video, and thank you for watching.